I wanted you to see what I was going through today here in Texas. This is big stuff for us. I live in a bayou. See how fast that water's moving? Those are my boys. Where to pee at, right? Well, I do have a kayak and a canoe there in case I need... Well, my canoe's full of water. But anyway, this is what my day's like today. The rest of my neighborhood is underwater. We're at a high point here, but we're looking to get about 10 more inches. Let's see. See my Charlie Brown over there in the flower pot? That's Bentley. And that's Guppy. He has a wound on his neck. He attacked him. There's my gargoyle. Hey, Rob. That's my husband.